Hello, today I'm going to show you with Windows 11 the 24H2. The last couple update kind of messed up a few things. Cannot move this PC on anywhere on the screen. Uh, cannot move a folder by doing a left click. You have to do a right click and move the file, and then ask you to move here. If you don't want to move it there, you just cancel it. Okay. Uh, Same thing with application. Okay. If you go ahead and right click and move it, again, it's going to ask, say, move here, cancel it. Some will not. Like if you try to move your control panel or this PC, okay, if you do a right click and try to move it, it does move, but it says create a shortcut. I don't want to create a shortcut. So anyways, a few things don't work right, but we'll get by with it anyways. It's a real pain. And then, okay, whenever you have a program, an app, doesn't matter what it is, if it's OBS or your browser or like almost anything. You have to do a right click, then click on move, and then that happens every once in a while. So you have to click that and click move, and then it will move. Okay? You can move it around anywhere to the second screen, right off the screen, to the second screen. But you have to click move first, then okay, the four little arrows will show up, and then your main cursor will show up, and then you can move it around. Okay, same thing with this. If you have an app like I use OBS, okay, it will be the same thing. Okay, right click, move, and then you can move it. Okay, if you don't do that, okay, you go right click and then move, and then you see those that four little arrows there, it showed up, and then, but if you let go, okay, it makes it a full screen. So go, move, leave your screen there, leave your cursor there, and then move it. Okay, that will work. And the same thing with a folder. You do a right click on the mouse, and then you move the folder. Use and move here. So just cancel that. So that's how you get by to how to move files. But now also you have a problem of stretching the the page. It could be Zamtalk, it could be your browser, it could be the an app that you're running. It doesn't matter. Okay, everything gives a little problem. It used to be able to take your mouse and then come to the edge. You see the arrow there, a double arrow. You should be able to click it and then stretch it, okay, and make it smaller or bigger. Sometimes that doesn't work. It's almost like frozen in space. Okay, so let it go, and then now you should be able to grab the top or the bottom and do the same thing. Sometimes that doesn't work. Now it's working fine. It's crazy. Every once in a while it works fine, and then all of a sudden it doesn't work no more. Then you wait for a little while, and then oh, it starts to work again. So, and those are the few little problems with Windows 11. I have a couple of computers here on 11. They all do the same thing. Same thing. So just try to get by. Like even try to move. Let's say I put my clock on. Okay, I install a clock. Okay, that's a little widget clock like this. I try to move it. You see, like it's not bad now. I move it all the way around. Sometimes you'll take it. See now, right now, I just moved it. It's okay now. It's crazy, but every once in a while that won't move. Okay, try to move it. It doesn't move around. Same thing with, let's say we got a small app there, Ultra View. It'll show you a small window. Okay, now I'm gonna try to move it. It's not gonna move. Oh yeah, it does. Every once in a while, this morning I could not move it. But if you right click and you go move and wait until the mouse shows up, and then it's fine. It moves around. Okay, that's it. I want to show you this morning a few little problems. There's other problems like copy and paste is also the same problem. If you try to copy and paste, okay, it gives you a hard time. Like it doesn't matter what you do. If you open the browser, let's say I want to copy Google Chrome. I mean Google.com. Okay. You see right now it's working. Copy and it'll be fine. Um, but sometimes you see now it's working fine. For some reason it's fine. So I can't not show you. But a lot of people are having the problem of trying to copy and paste. Whoop, I missed it this time. Sometimes you miss it, you could start over. Okay. Anyways, and then now you could do a copy and paste. Okay, so alright, those are the few little problems with Windows 11, I believe. Okay, it doesn't matter what browser you're using, what app you're using, they all give you little problems. And that's only since the last few updates we had messed that up. So I hope the next version or the next update is gonna fix it. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Hope those things were informative and help a few people here and there to get by with Windows 11 until they fix all the little problems like that. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye now. Thank you.